That's cute. Nag-isip naman ko. Ha? Tua. Tua nga ito, ma. Tua.
Kapoy magpukay.
Nagkapili yun.
Oh, di ay mga sinihin na sa bata. So,
Tag 20 mo ko na da. Pagkatug. Sabi nagkuhan. Init kayong panahon.
Pagkatuba.
Ayan raghan diha. Nati ko itong humok. Ayaw dari ama. Kanirang duha. Duha. So hello mga kudits, we just got home from the market and we went thrift shopping, or as we call it, pukay-pukay here in the Philippines. So let's get on with the bag first. These are 20 pesos for the bags. This one right here is mostly for more like for traveling. You can use it for travel. And this one, we're thinking of getting some foldable chairs, and they don't come with bags, so this would be nice to have. This one's for Mama. For my mom, she wants just a simple black tote bag that she can take with her when she goes to the market. Very simple, 20 pesos. And this one's for, look at this, it's still in good condition, no holes, no tears. It's got pockets. That's pretty cool. This one's for traveling as well. And goes with this travel caddy to put your clothes, to organize your clothes in your suitcase or in your travel bag. That one, 20 pesos. And this one as well. It's mostly for organizing your stuff when you travel. Okay, so that's for the bag. There is a table there where it's 5 pesos. 5 pesos for everything that was on the table. So this is for my mama. It's for my mom. That's it, right? And then pillowcase for 5 pesos. Just white pillowcase. I love white pillowcases. Again, for my mom. Really something comfortable to wear. T-shirt. And an apron. I didn't get an apron. I was gonna get one, but I didn't. This is for my mama. An apron. Cute. This one, I just need to put no elastic on this one. It's for Kuya Saidi, for when he goes to sleep. It's a bit big, so I need to put new elastic on that one. Again, another pillowcase, simple. For areas, for sleeping. Some crocodile, cute crocodiles. Okay, so this one is for Kuya. It's for sleeping. I know it's for a girl, but it's for sleeping. And it's comfortable, it's soft. So that for Kuya. This one's for my mama. Something comfortable to wear. It's for my mom. It's mostly for wearing around the house. Something comfortable because the material is soft.
Malapit na. Diba lang ito ay?
Pambalay.
Abala.
Philippines. For arrows. For sleeping. For sleeping. Something comfortable. This one. So this for Kuya. We just put new elastic on this one and then you'll be fine. Again, it's soft. It's for sleeping. This one. I love the color in this one. It needs washed because it's dirty. I love the color on this one. Silk. Really nice. Tissue box cover. Look how cute that is. It's so cute. That is so cute. Tissue box cover. Look like that. Philippines, that's so cute. Again, people, ayan. That's cute.
Sabi ka, taas pa na ito. Kuhan ko nga, palit na bukog na ito. Iukay nga. Kuhan kaya ako ipangunayan. Kinabustot naman itong uban. Kaya
May gani ka na okay ta.
ang magat na lang na yan.
So this is for the Filipiniana for pre-colonial Filipino clothes for women. Pre-colonial. Parisan og kuan. Malong. Ay. Magaling yan.
Ito ka na lang ako.
Yan, galing medyas. Katong tag-jis-jis. Ano? Kang eros, kay. Wala naman ko kang eros ito. Kang sali, di, madama o ano, eh. Katong tagko. Kaya buyag.
Kanain mo na.
Oo, tutusin. Sigo ko yan. Sulot na lang ni Kuya.
Kinanyayin mo na yun. Kaya,
Ay,
gusto lang.
sana mo naman. Luang na ka dahil nito.
Magiging siya.
Luang na siya. Pumok. Kuan na, wong na tingko. Namurang po mo. Suot raw na ito.
Suot naman limpyo na.
Itong.
Tayo da kung
Pagwin na sila.
Sa simpa po, natantang niya.
Tara na tambalan.
May pahalok ako sa akin.
Nara si Kuya.
Manadako nila.
Nadako. And then look what we got. Hunter boots for 150. For 150 pesos, I got hunter boots. It's for Eros. Wala ka kuya yo, kay big manggod kaya.
I'm done doing this.
What? Kasi ko na mayos? Hala, kasi ko na mayos. Good to the panginhas.
Mama.
Ano, yes. Nakita na. Asa naman ka? Mangisda ka?
Mom.
Ha? Mangisda ka? Kamay lagi dito mo sa mga kasi ito sa
Oh, ay, hindi pa po kung gumamit kaya.
Tubig yun ay.
Ito namin ha.
Thank you, Lolo.
Thank you, Lola.
Then we also got some water shoes. It's for 20 pesos at the Okay store. That's cute. We didn't have one for Kuya because he's of a larger size. Look, some water shoes. Ah! Look. Wow, those are cute. That's cute. That's a hat. Put the hat on.
Baliktad. No. That's a hat.
That is so cute. It's a hat for, and then you got, oh, you're all set for foraging. You're all set for foraging, Eros. Yay. Let's move on to my thrifting video. Let's get it done because I gotta cook some lunch. My kids are home. I still gotta cook lunch. So this one's for Kuya. And yeah, this one's another, it's like a rolling bag. You put stuff in there. Perfect for when you're traveling. Roll it up. That's the inside. It's got elastic. The pocket. You roll it up. Like that. It's so cute. I love the color. The color is so cute. So that's that. I also got, this is a black linen pillowcase. It's so soft. It's nice. I like that one. And this is also another silk top. So soft. Comfortable to wear. And then we got a few pairs of socks for 10 pesos. They're still good. It's for him. We got 1, we got 2, we got 3, 4, 5, and 6 for pajamas. Another one for Kuya for sleeping, so he gets comfortable. Elastic, very soft. So that's it for our thrift haul for today. We hope you like our video, you guys. And that means laundry. Loads of laundry. More to wash. That means I need to wash. I need to do some laundry. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Eros, what are you doing? Say hi, I'm washing.
Hi. My shoes. Very well done.
Okay, wash them so they're not dirty anymore, okay?
Yes.